Children, welcome back once again for this particular class called English Literature. So, children, in my previous class, I was teaching about Miss Honey and Matilda, Nigel. Then there is one more boy, Lavender. So I was teaching about all these students, how these students are giving answers in the classroom to this particular man called Miss Honey. So children, I will continue this same page. Page number, today I will take page number 3030. Page 30. So we have to remember, children, how many students and who are there in this particular. So here again I am writing Miss Honey, then boy Lavender, Nigel, Matilda, then there are others also. Okay, there are others also who have their own role in this particular text. Okay, so please come to page number 3030. Okay, page number 30. Now please look at the textbook. This is correct, Miss Honey said. And do you happen to know what that particular type of poetry is called? So here, children, they are talking about a particular poetry called limerick. So they are talking about a limerick. It is a poem. It is a poem having 5 lines. So that is called limerick. So the man says it is called limerick. Matilda said, "That's a lovely one. It is so funny." So this particular poem or limerick is so funny and it is so interesting to these students. Okay. Next para. "It is a famous one," Miss Honey said, picking up the book and returning to her table in front of the class. So, this particular ma'am, Miss Honey had given this particular book, as I told you in my earlier class. She had given to that particular girl to read, and after reading, she is now taking back this particular book. Next line. "A witty limerick is very hard to write," she added. "They look easy, but they most certainly are not." So what is she telling is, this particular limericks, these poems, they look very short, but they are difficult. See, it is difficult. See here, the meaning is witty. Witty means here it is very, very clever, wise person, wisdom. That particular book is full of good things. Okay. Next line. "I know," Matilda said, "I have tried quite a few times, but mine are never any good." Mine are never any good. They are not very good. See, this particular girl called Matilda, she is telling that I have tried earlier in my copies and in my class, but it is not very easy. This is not very easy. Okay. So I know, Matilda said, "I have tried quite a few times, but mine are never any good." So they are not good. I cannot write in a good way. Matilda said. Next line. You have, Miss Honey said, more startled than ever. She is more startled. She is confused, startled. She is startled. She is confused. She is confused. So he says, well, Matilda, I would very much like to hear one of these limericks you say you have written. Would you try to remember one for us? So mine is asking to Matilda, you can tell me one limerick. You can tell me one poem. The poem which is having 5 lines. 5 verse poem we call it. So can you tell me? She is requesting, Miss Honey is requesting to Matilda. Next line. Well, Matilda said, hesitating, I have actually been trying to make up one about you. It is very surprising. Matilda is telling, I am trying to make one poem about you, about Miss Honey, about this man. She is telling, I will make one. Next line. About me, Miss Honey cried, well, we have certainly got to hear that one haven't we? So we are all these students as well as I myself. We are very eager to listen one limerick, one poem from you. Next line. I don't think I want to say it, Miss Honey. Please tell it, Miss Honey said. I promise I won't mind it. I will not mind anything. I will not feel bad about it. Please tell me. So I will not feel anything. I don't mind. I don't mind. Don't mind. I will not feel any bad thing about it. I don't mind. I will not feel bad. See, not feel bad about it. So, but she is telling to Matilda to tell that particular limerick, so that she is very eager to listen words from this particular girl called Matilda. Okay. So next page you see, page number 31. I think you will, Miss Honey, because I have to use your first name to make things rhyme. And that's why I don't want to say it. So when she is going to write language, she will be using the name of that particular teacher called Miss Honey. So the Matilda thinks that ma'am will feel bad, she will get angry, and therefore she doesn't want to write it or tell it in the classroom. So, okay children, I will continue. Thank you very much.